Imagine skyrocketing your Google rankings all without the headache of managing multiple tools or paying for expensive monthly subscriptions. Welcome to SEO PowerSuite, the all-in-one SEO toolkit that's smart, powerful, and shockingly affordable. It's designed for professionals, agencies, and business owners who want serious SEO results without breaking the bank. Let's be honest, SEO tools these days can be a real nightmare. They're either way too expensive, painfully limited, or overly complicated. You find yourself juggling 4 or 5 different platforms just to get the basics done. You're checking your keyword rankings on one dashboard, running a backlink audit somewhere else, using another tool to check technical SEO issues. It's fragmented, slow, and frustrating. And the costs? They add up fast. Most cloud-based SEO tools charge based on the number of projects, keywords, or users. Some even limit how much data you can see unless you upgrade again. Before you know it, you're shelling out hundreds of dollars every month just to keep your campaigns running. That's exactly why over 2 million marketers, SEO consultants, freelancers, and business owners around the world have switched to SEO PowerSuite. SEO PowerSuite is a powerful desktop-based software suite that gives you unlimited access to essential SEO tools, with no hidden costs, no keyword limits, and absolutely no data restrictions. Unlimited keywords. Track rankings for hundreds or even thousands of keywords across multiple search engines. Unlimited websites. Run SEO campaigns for as many websites as you want, without needing to pay more. Unlimited backlink checks. Audit, analyze, and monitor backlinks without worrying about quotas. Go with the free version or an affordable yearly plan. To get a discount of SEO PowerSuite, click the URL link in the description of this video. White label reporting. Create stunning, customizable reports for clients, complete with your own branding. Let's take a closer look at the 4 powerhouse tools that make SEO PowerSuite so effective. First up is Rank Tracker. This tool allows you to monitor your keyword positions across Google, Bing, Yahoo, and even local map packs or international search engines. Whether you're optimizing for a global e-commerce brand or a local service business, Rank Tracker gives you precise, location-specific insights. Track keyword performance daily, weekly, or whenever you choose. Get beautiful, automated reports that visualize your ranking progress over time. You can monitor 100 keywords, 1,000, or even 10,000. The software doesn't limit your potential. Next, we have Website Auditor. This tool scans your entire site in seconds, uncovering critical SEO issues that could be hurting your rankings, like broken links, duplicate content, missing meta descriptions, or slow loading pages. But it doesn't stop there. Website Auditor also gives you detailed on-page SEO recommendations, showing you exactly how to improve your content structure, keyword placement, internal linking, and even technical core web vitals. It's your personal SEO health check and optimizer rolled into one. Then there's SEO Spyglass, your secret weapon for backlink analysis. With this tool, you can uncover and audit every link pointing to your website, and just as importantly, spy on your competitors' backlink strategies. Want to know where they're getting their best links from? Curious which backlinks are helping them outrank you? SEO Spyglass lays it all out. You can detect spammy or toxic links, track new or lost backlinks, and even calculate your domain's link authority. And yes, there's no limit on how many backlinks you can analyze. Finally, Link Assistant is your go-to tool for link building and outreach. Whether you're doing guest posting, digital PR, or resource page outreach, Link Assistant helps streamline the entire process, so you're not stuck managing it all in a spreadsheet. Together, these 4 tools form the complete SEO workflow, from keyword research and rank tracking to on-page optimization, backlink analysis, and outreach. And the best part? You get all of this for less than what most SEO platforms charge every month, and with no usage restrictions. Plus, because SEO PowerSuite is a desktop application, you get complete data ownership. There's no cloud dependency, meaning your campaign data is stored safely on your device, and reports generate faster with local processing. It's a tool that's not just powerful, but private and efficient, too. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a freelance SEO consultant, a digital marketing agency juggling dozens of client sites, or a corporate team managing a global web presence, SEO PowerSuite molds to your workflow. It's scalable, flexible, and designed to help you grow. And if you're serving clients, the built-in white label reporting feature will be your new best friend. Create clean, branded reports that look professional and are ready to share, with just a few clicks. You can even automate them. Set rank checks and technical audits to run on a schedule and send reports automatically. It's SEO automation done right, saving you hours of manual work every week. So don't let SEO overwhelm you. Don't overpay for bloated tools that limit your creativity or drain your budget. Join the millions of professionals around the world who trust SEO PowerSuite to grow their traffic, boost their search rankings, and get real results, faster, smarter, and more affordably. Start your free trial or upgrade to a paid plan today or later to enjoy the discount by clicking the URL link in the description of this video. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.